Improving the speed of your Shopify store is crucial for better user experience and search engine rankings. Here are steps to enhance your store speed. Optimize images. Compress and optimize product images to reduce file sizes without compromising quality. Use Shopify apps or external tools for bulk image optimization. Minimize apps. Limit the number of apps, as each can add scripts and affect load times. Remove unnecessary or redundant apps and choose those optimized for performance. Utilize browser caching. Enable browser caching to store static files locally, reducing load times for returning visitors. Adjust cache settings in your Shopify admin. Implement lazy loading. Load images and content as users scroll rather than all at once. Shopify teams often support lazy loading, enhancing initial page load times. Optimize code. Minimize and compress CSS, JavaScript, and HTML files. Remove unused code and comments. Use Shopify's online tools or external minification tools. Upgrade hosting plan. Choose a suitable Shopify hosting plan that accommodates your store's size and traffic. Consider upgrading if necessary for better server performance. Content Delivery Network. Integrate a CDN to distribute content across servers globally, reducing load times for users worldwide. Mobile optimization. Ensure your store is mobile-friendly. Shopify's responsive teams help, but test on various devices to guarantee optimal performance. Regularly audit and update. Periodically review your store's performance using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. Implement updates and optimizations as needed.